Hello dear friends and welcome to the Statisticians again. Today we will learn how to find basic statistics in R like mean, median, mode and the other measures of central tendency in just 2 minutes. So let's start with mean. The mean is the average of all the values in a data set. To find mean in R, you can use mean function. For example, if we have the data set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is very simple to find the mean. Just simply you have to use the mean function, you will get the answer. If you will put the mean function and put that data, you will get the answer 3. Similarly, if you want to find the median, median is a middle value of any data set, but remember that you have to arrange the data set. So the basic definition is the median is the middle value of arranged data set. If you want to find the median in R, you have to use the median function. For example, we have the same data set. We will use simply the median function and you will get the answer. The answer would be 3. If you will talk about mode, again it is very similar procedure, very simple. The mode is the most frequent value of any data set. If you want to find mode in R, you can use the mode function. For example, we have data set 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. If you want to find the mode, simply use the mode function. Mode and put your data set, you will get the answer. The answer will be 3. Geometric mean. The definition of geometric mean is it is the nth root of the product of n natural numbers. If you want to find geometric mean in R, again the code is very simple. You have to use the geometric mean function. For example, if we have the same data set, we will use the geometric mean function and you will get the answer. If you want to find the harmonic mean, again the definition of harmonic mean is the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocals of the values in any data set. If you want to find harmonic mean in R, again you have to use the harmonic mean function. Let's suppose we have the same data set and you want to find the harmonic mean. You will use the harmonic mean and put your data, you will get the answer. It is very simple, very easy. Trimmed mean, very important concept. If you have outliers in your data set, then we use trimmed mean. The definition, the trimmed mean is the mean of all the values in a data set after removing a certain percentage of the smallest and largest values. So you have to define the percentage you want to remove. If you want to find the trimmed mean in R, you will use the trim function. Let's suppose we have the same data set and we want to 20% observations. We want to remove 20% of the observations. We will use the following code: trim, and at the end you have to put the percentage which you want to remove. So here we have 20%, so we put 20 and you will get the answer 2.75. Another very important concept, quartiles. Quartiles are the values which divide the arranged data into 4 equal parts. If you want to find the quartiles, you will use the quantile function. For example, we have the same data set and we want to find quartiles. We will use the quantile function and put the values. You will get the following output: 1.53 and 4.5. The first value is the output of first quartile, so Q1 here is 1.5, Q2 which is median is 3, and third quartile is 4.5. I hope you have enjoyed the lecture. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching.